What is going on, you guys? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. You guys, so we're breaking down Dogecoin this morning, and oh my goodness, look at Dogecoin at 20% up, you guys. All-time highs at 50 cents. Gotta give it up for Doge. However, getting in right now at this moment in time would be hella dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Okay, so right now I'm on the daily interval. This basically shows our overall direction and trend that our stock is in. That being in the moon right now, apparently. So you guys can see this huge engulfing candlestick is followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 basically other engulfing candlesticks. Green bar, 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 green bar. As much as that sounds amazing and sounds nice, we are overdue for a pullback, and a big one, you guys. So more than likely, what we want to see is at least a 50% retracement, right? Just a slight pullback for this to continue its trend, starting to create its upward momentum, higher lows, all these good things that we want to see for this to be a healthy upward trend. However, as of right now, you can just see we are just pointed directly straight up into the sky, you guys. We passed all this prior resistance over here. So what we're looking for is this to at least pull back down to the 40-cent area. That could be an ideal entry. The safer entry is more of this tested support area. If you guys want me to explain these lines, I will. So this bottom line is this major support line. It's been heavily tested. You can see that we have candlesticks underneath hitting in this area, bouncing on the above it. We have candlesticks on over here reacting or bouncing off of this lower tested area, and then up here we have this resistance. We can see the candlesticks over here, and then all of this on the opposite side working as support we can see over here, and then obviously this candlestick here. So those levels are tested. So back down here is the more safer entry. If we can pull back down to the 33-cent area, that would be amazing. At that point in time is when I would actually get into this trade. And that would make the more sense to me, because this is just the more heavily tested area. As of right here for the 40-cent area, the only reason why I would say that this could be another good ideal entry if you're on the more aggressive side is just because this is the more of the 50% area that I was discussing. 50% retracement is usually what you want, or what an upward trend will consist of. Anything more than that, it kind of shows that buyers aren't stepping up. However, this is a parabolic move. So usually when you have a parabolic move like this, you usually have the same thing that happens on the opposite side, and then after that you see the smooth retracement upwards back to its previous highest point over here. Now, that doesn't mean it's going to happen, but I'm just saying a lot of times when this pattern happens, like I said, it tends to happen. So that's why I say be aware, and it usually happens pretty quickly. So just as fast as this moved up here, this will move back just as fast downward. So keep that in mind, you guys. We're now at 22%. I can't really say for sure how much higher this will go, but indefinitely we are due for a pullback, you guys. So keep that in mind. I just want to be able to open your mind and see the bigger picture that, you know, getting in right now, and then for this to ultimately pull back, and then you have to bag hold and wait for this to go back up to your initial entry for you to even make a profit. It just does not make sense, you guys. So what we do is we just wait for the better entry, wait for this to pull back. What you could do is you could load up some at the 40 cents, and then if we do pull back all the way down to the 33, then you can load up some more. Personally, I think that's what I'm gonna do for my initial entries. But other than that, I just wanted to make this quick video just to break down this chart for you guys. I wasn't, because I already did this yesterday, so usually I tend to switch it up, but however, we hit all-time highs, so I think it called for it. So if you guys enjoyed this video and how I broke down this chart fast and efficiently, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content every single day for you guys. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.